Welcome back to our channel, where we empower beginners with essential knowledge to kickstart their investment journey. Today, we have an exciting topic to discuss: investing in dividends. Dividend investing is a popular strategy that can provide a steady stream of income and long-term wealth accumulation. In this video, we'll provide you with the ultimate beginner's guide to investing in dividends. Let's dive in. Dividends are cash payments or additional shares distributed by a company to its shareholders as a portion of its profits. Investing in dividends allows you to not only potentially earn regular income but also participate in the success of the companies you invest in. In this guide, we'll cover the key aspects of dividend investing, including why it's a popular strategy, how to identify dividend-paying stocks, and the benefits and considerations for beginner investors. Why invest in dividends? The first question many beginners ask is, why should I invest in dividends? The answer lies in the potential benefits dividends offer. Dividend-paying stocks provide a consistent income stream, making them attractive to investors seeking regular cash flow. Furthermore, dividend-paying companies are often well-established and financially stable, as they generate profits that can be shared with shareholders. This stability can provide a sense of security to investors, especially during market downturns. Identifying dividend-paying stocks. The next step is identifying dividend-paying stocks. When researching potential investments, look for companies with a history of consistent dividend payments. These companies often have a track record of profitability and a commitment to sharing their success with shareholders. Additionally, pay attention to dividend yield, which is the annual dividend payment expressed as a percentage of the stock price. A higher dividend yield may indicate a more attractive investment in terms of income generation. Benefits of dividend investing. Investing in dividends offers several benefits. First and foremost, it provides a regular income stream that can supplement your other sources of income. This income can be reinvested to compound your returns or used for personal expenses. Dividend investing also allows you to participate in the growth of the companies you invest in. As these companies generate profits and increase their dividends over time, you may benefit from both capital appreciation and increased income. Considerations for beginner investors. As a beginner investor, there are a few considerations to keep in mind when investing in dividends. First, diversification is key. Building a well-diversified portfolio of dividend-paying stocks can help mitigate risk and increase the likelihood of consistent income. It's also important to research and analyze the financial health of the companies you invest in. Look for companies with sustainable dividend policies, strong cash flow, and a history of stable or growing dividends. There you have it, the ultimate beginner's guide to investing in dividends. By understanding the benefits, identifying dividend-paying stocks, and considering important factors, you can harness the power of dividends to generate regular income and build long-term wealth. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more valuable content like this. Share this video with anyone who may benefit from it, and don't forget to hit the notification bell, so you never miss an update. Thank you for watching, and until next time, may your investment journey be fruitful as you explore the world of dividend investing. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our channel.